Play fewer, better games. I play chess at work when I am angry and even on the toilet. This kills your yellow, your focus, and your habit toward chess. You start playing the game instinctively rather than tactically. Play only 1 or 2 games per day when you have free time. The maximum is 2 games per day. This helps you play the game with 100% focus. You see, when you play angry, you rely on emotion, ignoring logic. That is why when you start losing, the losing streak never ends. It's not magic, it's focusing on quality over quantity. Instead of spamming dozens of Blitz games, play fewer matches where you actually think, analyze, and learn. Each game should be a lesson, not just entertainment. Slow down, calculate, and review your mistakes afterward. Blitz and bullet can reinforce bad habits if you never reflect. Playing fewer, serious games helps you internalize patterns, improve decision-making, and understand positions deeply. Treat every move as important, like in a tournament. One well-analyzed classical game teaches more than 10 careless Blitz games. In short, less grinding, more mindful improvement. All of these are guaranteed ways to increase your yellow instantly. This means if you apply even one of these tips, your yellow will increase by at least 100. So watch till the end and pick one you like. Shift to Lichess. This one might suck, but if you are obsessed with yellow, just shift from chess.com to Lichess. Lichess players are generally less powerful than chess.com players. If you are 800 yellow, you might beat a lot of 800 yellow players on Lichess, raising your yellow close to 1000. Follow the 3-check rule. It means that before making any move, always check for 3 things: checks, captures, and threats. This simple habit prevents blunders and ensures you consider forcing moves first. By consistently scanning for these options, you'll spot tactics, avoid losing material, and create more winning chances. It's a quick mental checklist that sharpens your awareness and turns chaos into calculated control. Start a new account. When you start a new account, the chess platforms ask you how strong you are. Then just say you are embarrassingly strong. For example, if your yellow is 1000, you can create a new account and select the I am advanced choice. Just like that, you start playing chess as a 1600 yellow player. You gain 600 yellow in just 5 minutes. Cheat. If you use engines to make a move, you gain yellow fast. When? Now. In just 1 day, you may gain 300 yellow with this single email. Your subscription? Bye-bye. I don't recommend this, and I strongly protest against it. Calculate every move. Look at this position. It's made in 130, but Stockfish can't get it. And look at this position. It's a win for white. Again, Stockfish can't get it either. The moral of the story is humans are better than any artificial intelligence or engine. So why do we suck at chess? The reason is our brain is too lazy to calculate in depth, and we prefer to play instinctively rather than calculating every move. Think about it. If we calculate every move, we barely make mistakes and no blunders. That way, we can win against opponents more often. It's not magic. Instead, it's about giving enough attention to the game. Stop playing Blitz for a while. Blitz is fun, but kills deep thinking and learning. Take a break from fast-paced games to focus on real chess improvement. Blitz often builds bad habits, rushing moves, skipping calculation, and ignoring deeper plans. When you only play fast, you train your reflexes, not your understanding. Slower games give you time to think, evaluate positions, and spot tactics you'd normally miss. They also help you practice patience and develop strategic thinking. Use the extra time to analyze your games afterward. By pausing Blitz and playing longer formats, you'll fix mistakes faster and become a stronger, more thoughtful player. Sandbagging. Sandbagging is creating multiple online accounts and making them play each other intentionally, causing the other accounts to lose in order to gain yellow points for the main account. By doing this, the main account can gain yellow points really fast. It's basically cheating, and of course, it's against chess platforms. I don't recommend this. Don't try it at home. Otherwise, the consequences are really severe. Look for the opponent's plan. Looking for your opponent's plan is one of the smartest habits you can build in chess. Instead of only focusing on your own moves, pause after each of theirs and ask, what are they trying to do? Are they threatening a piece, aiming for a pawn break, or planning a checkmate pattern? By identifying their ideas early, you can stop their plans before they become dangerous and even turn them to your advantage. This mindset shift, from self-centered play to two-sided thinking, makes you far more resilient and strategic. Great players win not just by attacking, but by understanding their opponent's intentions. Always ask, why did I lose? After every defeat, pause and dig into the real reasons behind it. Don't just blame bad luck or your opponent's moves. Examine each mistake, tactical errors, strategic oversights, time management issues, or opening weaknesses. Ask yourself what you could have done differently and how to prevent similar mistakes. This self-reflection turns losses into lessons and accelerates improvement. Keep a notebook or digital record of your findings. By consistently asking why, you develop critical thinking, awareness, and problem-solving skills. Every loss becomes a stepping stone toward becoming a stronger, smarter chess player. Use a 2-minute blunder check. Before making any move, spend 2 minutes scanning the board for mistakes. Look for hanging pieces, checks, and sudden threats from your opponent. Ask yourself, what can they do after I move? This short pause catches most blunders, saves lost games, and builds a habit of careful, disciplined thinking. And remember to prioritize accuracy over speed always. Once you master accuracy, trust me, speed comes by itself. But if you do the opposite, accuracy will never come by itself. Stop hanging pawns. Pawns are the most underrated chess piece. Losing one would cost you 1 material point, which is a potential queen, and your structure. Endgames will magnify this cost. Always protect your pawns and never leave them undefended. Before every move, check if any pawn can be captured for free. Hanging pawns often lead to losing positions and open lines for your opponent. Guard them carefully. They form the backbone of your position and defense. Play simple. When you are playing to win aggressively, you most likely attack blindly. Instead, play a simple game, not to win right now, but to build your position. Most importantly, do not initiate an attack if you don't have a lead in development. This means that if you don't have some sort of advantage, don't initiate the attack. It might be a material advantage or a positional advantage. If you don't follow this rule, you will always start an attack that doesn't have any gain, which makes you lose tempo or overlook tactical combinations that are beneficial for you. Master one opening per color. Mastering one opening per color means focusing deeply on one reliable opening as white and one as black. Instead of memorizing many lines, you learn your chosen openings plans, pawn structures, and common traps. This builds confidence, saves time, and improves your understanding of chess positions and strategy. Improve calculation with mini puzzles. This means training your mind with short, focused tactical exercises every day. These quick challenges help you visualize moves, foresee threats, and calculate variations more accurately. Consistent practice sharpens your intuition, reduces mistakes, and strengthens your ability to find the best move faster during real games. Castle early. Castling early is a key safety rule in chess. It moves your king to safety behind pawns and connects your rooks for better coordination. Delaying castling often leaves your king exposed to quick attacks. By castling early, you secure your king, improve piece development, and prepare for smoother middle game plans. Trade when ahead, avoid when behind. This is a classic chess principle. When you're ahead in material, trading pieces simplifies the game and brings you closer to victory. For example, in this position, white is up 2 pawns, so trade the knight, and it's going to be 3 versus 1. From this point on, you can also trade another pawn, simplifying the position even more and making black's king alone. Now you have 2 pawns. Don't ask me how to win this. Conversely, if you are playing as black and you're down in material, avoid exchanges to keep complexity and chances for a comeback. The fewer pieces on the board, the harder it is to recover lost material. Endgame basics is free yellow. Literally, learning endgame basics gives you free yellow because small knowledge boosts win rates fast. Knowing key positions like king and pawn endings, opposition, and basic checkmates turns many draws into wins. Most players ignore endgames, so mastering simple ones gives you a huge edge without studying complex openings or tactics. For example, in this position, if you don't know how to deliver checkmate with a rook against a lone king, it will force you to lose 8 yellow points. Another example, if you don't know how to turn this pawn into a queen, this will also force you to lose points.